If access requests still come in as emails, Teams pings, and quick favors, you don't have a process. You have a bottleneck. Every request is manual, every approval is inconsistent, and every delay becomes a security gap or a business slowdown. Symmetry CONNECT 2.0 turns access requests into a clean, self-service workflow. Employees and contractors request access with a few clicks. It routes to the appropriate manager for approval automatically. That means decisions are documented, policy is consistent, and you finally have a trail you can prove without chasing people down. Fewer clicks, fewer exceptions, more control. With self-service access, requests in Symmetry CONNECT 2.0, access moves faster without losing governance.